Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to our channel Commenters Analyzer TV. Today we don't carry another ogboge matter. Another ogboge matter come again, my amazing people. What do we want to talk about today, my people? Today we'll be talking about how to know. It's how to know you are becoming a bad person. Okay, today we dey go bless the CEO comment section. How to know you are becoming about how to know you are becoming a bad person, my people. Una no first so this video, anyway, let me play the video because it's just 15 minutes 15 seconds video. Una hear wetin she talk. Most of una wey never hear, I know say blessing CEO get fans well, so maybe una don hear am, maybe una never still hear am. I would like to play the 15 seconds video for una hear wetin she talk before we will go on the comment section. Okay, ma.
To know that you're becoming a bad person and a wicked person when you conveniently do everything you do not like to another person and expect them to take it when you yourself cannot take it. How to know that you're becoming a bad person and a wicked person when you conveniently do everything you do not like to another person and expect them to take it when you yourself cannot
take it. So my amazing people now here. So my amazing people will go on the comment section. Let's see wetin our people talk for the comment section. Okay, before we go on the comment section, we'll add our small talk. So you know, some people they will hurt you. They will feel like that they do wetin they like, that they hurt you. But the moment you say let me pay this person back for wetin this person don dey do me, they will say na wicked person. But they forget how they take treat you before. They forget that one. The person, you the wicked person, they reason and say you no dey pay now. But when that person say okay, let me pay you back with the coins you have been paying me with, you will come dey hear different story. Did I deserve this? Like some people, when you go need them for your life, you no go see them. You no go see them. You go there, you go manage to survive. But imagine that kind of person when I need, I no see am. Say the moment when you go come need me, una come believe say me go dey there for that person. No, you pay am back with the coins when e fit take pay you, for am to see if e dey sweet or e no dey sweet. E go learn from there. If na person wey get brain, e go learn from there. No say some people they dey very daft. They no get sense. They can never learn anything. So they no go feel learn. They believe say when you go treat them like that, they go say if they want talk, they will say you be wicked person. But they forget how they treat you. They forget how they treat you. They will say you be bad person. So my amazing people, and that's how I know I reach. So let's go to the comment section. Una know say na comment section our channel dey all about. So our first commenter today say, my beautiful angel Blessing, you supposed to back up this your teaching right now with Bible verse where evil God say treat other the same way you yourself could like to be treated. The funny part of it is that some people will call you the bad person by treating them back the same way they treat you in the first place. Well, like I always said, be good and kind to your fellow human being, but never you give anybody the chance to treat you badly and get away with it easily. Thank you. God bless you, my lovely brother. Because when you treat them, when you start treating them the way they have treated you, like the way they have treated you, they will say you be bad person. So let's take our next comment. Una know my wonderful people say if we dey edit our video, we dey always put as in we dey paste the comment so that una go see the comment when we dey talk about. So let's take our next video. So somebody come reply the guy say never you give anybody the chance to treat you badly and get away with it. It is away with it easily. You have said it all. Yes. So let's take our next comment. Our next commenter can say, for all this talk, God must bless you. Some days, some people will do that, do what they know they cannot take. Hopefully for you to take the nonsense. I regular cut the humor off. I rather cut the humor off. Yeah. Because when you treat me the way you know, say if me treat you, you not go like am. So it's better mode cut each other up that go come dey maltreat each other with the way you know say if me come dey maltreat you like that, you no go fit take am, you no go fit bear am. So let's take our next comment. This one say, thanks darling, you speak nothing but the truth. Our next commenter come say, when you serve them from same pot they have been feeding you from, they will beg to scream. They will beg to scream that you serve them poison. This is the life of bad and wicked people. They hate to be treated same way, same wicked way they have been treating you. Spoil this on time and run. More wisdom to you, Assam. And our next commenter can say wisdom. Our next commenter can say wisdom no go kill you, my blessing CEO. Always saying the truth. And the next commenter can say child blessing, include the value. People at the back are yet to hear. Include the volume, my beautiful sister. I really love this short video. The short video make a lot of sense. That make me talk about this video because most people they will treat you like nobody, but the moment you stand on your feet and say, okay, let me do this person the same thing you have been doing to me, let me show you what you have been doing to me, let me feed you with the same food you have been giving to me, they go say you be wicked person. So let's take our next comment. My amazing people, now if they hear my boy voice for the background, mona no verse, I be somebody mama. So our next commenter can say, bless the CEO, if you want challenge me direct, not they go through comment. Not they go through corner. So she can put emoji of laugh. We don't know this one. Say blessing, may you challenge her direct. The next commenter can say blessing CEO, you said it, or more wisdom. And our next commenter can say I agree with you. The other one can say write down my bestie and add the volume. Yes, so add it. Make them for hear, and if they go feel hear, if they go feel learn. So our next commenter can say that is it, especially in a relationship where you are dating with. Our next commenter can say blessing CEO, abeg put the speaker on I a bit far I'm a bit far from nature. My family in-law must hear this. E be like say you are referring to them. Our next commenter can say more volume, mama. Yes, so put more volume. I really enjoy this topic. I know say most people will not like this video. Most people when still they'll still like I just like the short video. That make me say let's talk about this thing. Maybe most of my subscribers or my viewers, they'll still like to hear this story. So let's take our next commenters. Our next comment can say when you decide to serve them with the same measure they give you, they will rush to quarrel. Two wrong do not make a right. Like seriously, because so my wonderful people, we have come to the end of today's video. God bless you, my amazing people, for your wonderful and amazing support. I really appreciate una love, una support on this my channel. God bless you. Please guys, wanna try harder. Let's take this channel to another level. Help me to subscribe and please share this video to your friends, your family, your WhatsApp, your Facebook. Help me to share the video. Your sharing go a long way for me, and your subscriber, your one subscriber will also go a long way for me. God bless you, my amazing people. Please don't forget to give our video thumbs up. Tell us what you think about this video if you like the video. God bless you. See you on my next video. Bye.